Now I want to minimize the 4 variable expression using don't care. This is using don't care. Okay. So here there is a example is given. What is the example? Simplify the function ABCD whose K-map is shown in the right. तो जो K-map the K-map which I have to minimize, expression already it in the represented in the this table. Okay. Now we have to minimize using the don't care. Okay. So for this they have shown here two solution. Number one this. Number two this way. Okay. So first what here it is shown here, they have making the 4 variable. Now so suppose I want to use the don't care. So don't care I will take if once need. We cannot make the alone the group. How, what is the method? Suppose there is a 4 don't care. So it is not allowed. It is not allowed to make group. Why? If it is once, one is necessary to make them group. So this is not allowed to make them group. If I am making the one with one, if it is needed to make them make big group, then we can add. Suppose there is a 2 here. Okay. Now I want to make the biggest group, big group. Maximum you can say comes the 4. So to make them 4, I can use these two don't care. So this is one group. So here it is shown here. This is the 1. Okay. Now they have make another here with 4 entries group 1 and don't care. So it is required because when it is making the 1 group, so using this don't care and this don't care, we can make the big group. Big group means like making the 4 entry group. Okay. So this is one group. Now after this they have finished with the 4. Now come the now after this there is a no 4 entry group is possible. Now they are making the 2. So there is a 1 2 and there is a 1 2. Now see how they have expressed this. So see like this. I want to make them entry A B C. This is CD. So this is the 0 0. This is the 0 1. This is 1 1. This is 1 0. This is 0 0. This is 0 1. This is the 1 1. This is 1 0. Okay. Now see first this. Okay. What is the corresponding this? This is the 1 0. So 1 0 means what? This is the A and B naught. So A and B naught. So this is the corresponding this. Okay. Now and here is CD is deleted in this case because everything is changing. 0 1 1 0 changing. So it is cancelling. So this is corresponding to A and B naught. Now after this we have make the group like this 4 entry. Okay. Now what is this corresponding? This is corresponding C and D. So this is come like this. And this is come to like C and D naught. Okay. Now after this everything is changing. A B is changing to all A B here for this group it is cancel out. So what is come? What will become the C and D naught. So this is this group corresponding to this. Okay. Now we will make for 2. This is the first 2. So here is changing 0 0. 0 0 is not changing. 0 1 changing. So D is cancel out. This will cancel out and it will be remain same. So this is the C naught and C naught and here what is the corresponding? A naught B and this is come C naught. So A B and C naught. So this is the corresponding this. Okay. From this come A naught B and from this it come because 0 is changing. This is come from C naught. Okay. Now there is another one remaining. I will put another color then you can understand. Now this. Okay. Now here if you will see here come C naught D. So C naught D corresponding come this, and here is changing, B is changing to 0 1. This will cancel out and it comes as A naught. So what is the come for this result? It come A naught C naught D. Okay. Now this is the one way to make them group. Now same thing we can represent in another way. Okay. So this is also one solution. Just 1 minute, wait. Now this K-map we can make another way also. Okay. So first they are making the 4 group, 4 entry with group. Okay. And same way you can write here A, B, C, D. This is the 0 0. This is 0 1. This is 1 1. This is 1 0. This is 0. This is 0 1. This is 1 1. This is 1 0. Okay. So now this is the first group. If you see here is come 1 0. It is not going to change. This is come C corresponding D naught. And here everything is changing. If you making this group, AB is going to 0 1 and B is going to 0 1 is changing. So it is cancel out. So this group corresponding to again this CD naught. Okay. Now come for this. This is the same way. Okay. So this corresponding to A B naught. This. Okay. Now here is everything is changing. So everything is going to cancel out. So this is corresponding to this expression, this group. Okay. Now after this here he is trying to make this type of group. They are taking this and taking this. So here is corresponding to what? A naught B, and here is going to change. So what is going to change? Here is C is going to delete because C is going to 0 1 and D is remain same. So, and here D is 0. So what happen? Here come D naught. So A naught B D naught. So this is going to corresponding to this expression, this pair. If you use this, okay. This and this corresponding to this pair. Okay. Now remaining is like this pair. So you can put like this entry. So what is this corresponding to? This corresponding to as well C naught D, and it is going to change B. So B is going to cancel out and it come to 0. So this is A naught C naught to D. So this is corresponding to this entry. Okay. So I hope that you have understand this example. Okay. Now I want to show another example. This is third example from your lecture. See this similar image. So this is also another example, and this is example using do not care. You can say don't care also. Okay. So see what is the written here. Simplify the function GABCD which K-map is shown in the right. So which K-map is here there. So this thing again two ways. Number one way we can express. This is number 2 way we can express this thing. Okay. Now first time what he is making, try to make using the group. So first he is trying to making this group because he is using the, here it is using the 1. So if to make them make big group, they can consider the don't care. Okay. And there is another 1. So now I want to write here first to make them easy. Write A B, here write C D. So this is 0 0, this is 0 1, this is 1 1, this is 1 0. This is 0 0, this is 0 1, this is 1 1, this is 1 0. Okay. Now we want to express first like this. So first see this expression. What is this? This is not going to change. So this come corresponding AB. Now here to making this 4 group, everything is going to change. 0 1 going changing and D 0 to 1 1 0 change. So this will cancel out. So this is corresponding to this AB. Okay, now after this, here he has made like this group. Okay, so what is going to change here? Here is 0 1 is going to change, or so it is cancel out, and it is 0. So from this it is come a naught, and here if you see, I use another color to make them easy understand. Just wait. See, here is changing, C is not changing. C here 0, C is 0. Now D is changing to 0 1. So what will become? C naught come from here, C naught. So A naught C come. So A naught C come from this. Okay, this way, and D is cancel out. Now this is the first way. Now come another way, second method. Okay, second expression. You can write no problem, it is correct also, it is also correct. So you, when it is asking the question, so you can use any one way, no problem, it's up to you. So there is another way, the second way. What he is making, first making this two group here and this. Okay, then second one they are making like this. So first I want to put the entry A B C D. You can write 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Again here 0 0 0 1 1 1. This is 1 0. Okay, now see for the first entry. First entry is here. Okay, now what is going here changing? Here is going to changing B going to 0 1. So this cancel out, and here come B, and from here what is going to change? Here is changing, C is going to change 0 1. So it is cancel out, and D is remains 0. So here come D naught. So what is come here? From this it is coming out B D naught. So this actually it is showing like this. You can say this is B naught D. This is corresponding to this. Okay, from this and from this it is come like this. Okay, and you can say write another way, otherwise you will confuse this, and from this it is coming out like this. Okay, B naught D. Now there another pair is here. Okay, so what is going to change here? Here is going to change B 0. B is going to change 0 1. So it is cancel out, and A is remains same 0 0. So it is come here A naught. Now if you see here, here C is not changing. C is remains 0 0, and D is again 0 1 change. So D is cancel out, and from here is come C naught. So here what is come? A naught C. So from this expression B is going to receive this. Okay, so I hope that you have understand this example. Okay, thanks a lot for watching this video lecture.